rinse that tray. Let's dance those dirty spots away. It's the dishwasher disco, groove and glide. Loading it up, side by side. Press that button, watch it glow.